Nagpa-free sample sila guys. No! Look, how much is it? $26.
No, it's a...
Sure, it's free?
Yeah. In your email.
So, nilagay lang namin yung email address. Let's see kung free nga siya, guys. Hi, guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Pupunta kami... Nakatingin sa akin, ah. Pupunta kami sa Sam's Club at Walmart.
Yeah.
Nadali namin si Ellie. Maggala na naman si Ellie.
Ooh, it's hot.
I know. It's really hot.
Let's see,
95 degree Fahrenheit dito sa amin.
Hang on, let's see what the real feel is.
Oh.
Yeah,
Say hi
100.
ka muna. Say hi, everyone. Hey, everyone. Hey, everyone. Look at her face, babe. Hey, everyone. Hi, guys. Dali. Hi, guys. Oh, look at her face.
Ellie,
Hi, guys.
what are you doing? Why are you looking at that camera?
Alam mo yun, nakakagigil.
Why are you looking at that camera?
Kapatid ko na natatawa sa akin pag nag-video call kami. Tapos nagaganto ako. Gigil na gigil ah. Gigil na gigil ah. Gigil na gigil ah. Tuwan-tuwa rin niya. Oh my gosh, look at you, Ellie. Look at you. You're growing so quick. You're almost 4 months na po. You're almost 4 months. Halika na. So, pupunta muna kami guys ng Sam's Club at dadaan kami ng Walmart kasi magkatabi lang yun eh. May titingnan kami. And baka magtitingin din kami ng walker para kay Ellie. So, we'll see you guys later!
We need to throw these fish out.
Magre-return si Daddy. Magre-return si Daddy ng in-order ni Daddy. Yeah. Grabe yung init ngayon guys. 95 degree Fahrenheit sa labas. Parang 20 na nga eh. Ay, 20. Parang almost 100 na. Sobrang init. Yeah. Hi. Tapos, after nito, pupunta kami ng Sam's Club. Tapos, Cold Stone. Kasi bibili kami na ice cream. Namiss namin yung ice cream kasi nandito kami malapit dun sa may ice cream shop. So, punta kami dun mamaya. Dito kami sa may walker, guys. Ayun, oh. Pero, Travis don't like this one. But, look how much it is. 99?
Yeah, for what?
Yeah, pero mukha, sabi niya mukha daw, ano, parang madali masira. Yeah, Ellie. Naghahanap kami ng walker para sa kanya, guys.
$100 for
I know.
a,
Oh, look.
a piece of plant.
Oh, what's she doing? She pooped.
Is that what that was?
Yeah, she did. Okay.
Hey girl, you're gonna have to hold off for a little bit.
I know.
So,
I just changed you, Lalab.
yeah.
She's fine. Okay. Are we going to Sam's Club?
Oh yeah, let's just shoot over there.
Should we just walk?
No. It's way down.
Sure.
It's in the same area, but it's down further. Eliana.
Nagigil ka.
Well, we might as well stop by.
Ang daming magagandang damit pang baby. Kasi marami naman ng damit si Ellie, oy. Puro mga bigay din. Pag bibili ka kasi ng bibili, tas isang beses lang nila magamit, di ba? May mga nanay na gano'n na every time they go to the store, they will keep buying like baby clothes. Pero kasi di ba nga, nang hinayang ako, mahal-mahal, tapos isang beses lang gagamitin. Kung meron naman siya magagamit sa bahay na hindi pa nagagamit, di ba? Why not na ayun ang gamitin muna? What are we looking at? Yeah.
I was just gonna see if they had the.
Oh, what are we looking? What do we need to look here for AC pipe or what?
I was just gonna try to get it.
Yeah.
An AC like the.
So magtitingin lang muna kami dito guys and then pupunta kami ng Sam's Club pagkatapos nito.
A few moments later.
Dito na kami guys sa Sam's Club. Ayan. Mamimili kami sa loob. Ang init sa labas. Lumamig dito. Lagay namin siya sa stroller guys. What are you?
But you edit on your phone, so you guys.
Yeah, I edit on my phone. Right. Grabing init, guys.
There's a seat right there.
For camping.
Oh, that's a stadium seat. Oh, look, we can get her
Naalala
a
ko.
lawnmower.
Naalala ko sa Pinas din ako. Pupunta kami na SM para
Hey,
magpalamig.
it's a zero turn.
Zero turn. Oh, that's so cute. Para kay Ellie. We need to buy her, ano babe? Like a hat? Because I'm sure we're gonna go again to...
Well, we'll see if they have them here. I don't know.
Yeah. Punta muna kami sa what? Saan naman tumikot si Travis?
I need more pellets.
Pellets. O kasi madalas kami mag-smoke ng meat ngayon, kaya bibili rin kami ng meat dito, guys.
Bag. But,
Ha?
so that's a 40-pound bag.
Hi, Ellie! Kumusta ka naman dyan, girl? Kumusta ikaw? Kumusta ang baby ko na yan?
That's not bad. 14
Kumusta
bucks.
ikaw? Kumusta ikaw? Hindi yan mag-sleep ngayon kaya,
Look, I'm gonna
nag-smile.
grab one of these.
Okay.
It's only 14 bucks for this bag. 40
How much?
pounds.
How much is that?
It's like 25 at Home Depot.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hindi na matulog yun si Ellie. Hindi mag-nap kaya nag-nap na siya eh. So these are the hats. But for adult.
Yeah, I think the baby stuff will be too cute.
Oh. Kaloka naman tong ano na to. Cart.
Okay.
That's nice. Yung cart ko paliko-liko, guys. Ah, look at the flowers.
What is all this stuff?
Tignan mo yung kamay niya. Let me see her hand. Bait naman. Ay, inaantok na naman ang baby namin. Are you sleepy
Are we
again?
good with this stuff, or do we need more coffee?
We still have more.
You sure?
Yeah, and we have like the bags.
There's the baby stuff, baby wipes. Baby.
Let's go check the wipes. Nagtitingin kami ng wipes, guys. Pero hindi namin kasi madalas ginagamit yung wipes kasi nuhugasan ko pa rin yung ano ni Ellie.
No.
Nuhugasan ko kaya bibili lang kami nung mga ilang piraso pang travel lang namin kasi sa bahay.
Water wipes? Those are probably better.
Yeah, they don't have it here. We probably need to buy it. They don't have the Millie Moon.
They don't, but these might be $200 for $30.
Really? She still have a diaper there that we didn't use though.
12 to 18 pound size too. Hang on. Wetness indicator, absorbs core, crossover tabs, same thing.
Really?
$30, 296 diapers.
Wow. Let's go. Grab it.
Do you want to grab?
Yeah.
You think she'll last with 2 for this much? You think this will finish
That's
her?
fine,
This
yeah.
2 still fits her.
Yeah, number 2. We don't want to buy 2 boxes
No, just one.
because she's almost she's almost gonna she will upgrade to number 3 soon. Hey, look at her.
Meow. Meow.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, don't you cry.
Tignan mo talaga na spoiled ng daddy, oh. Oh. Yan ang proof. Kung sino nag-spoil kay Ellie. Umiyak ang anak, binuhat agad. Grabe ka, Ellie. Spoiled ka talaga ng daddy. She was crying earlier and then now, she's not. She's good. She's okay. Ay naman tatay, ang ngiti-ngiti lang. Nagpa-free sample sila guys. No! Look, how much is it? $26.
No, it's a
Sure, it's free?
yeah. In your email.
So, nilagay lang namin yung email address. Let's see kung free nga siya, guys. Kasi ang presyo niya is 26. Baka naman coffee ang ibigay. Oh, it's coffee.
Oh.
So, may free sample tayo, guys. Akala niya vino siya. That's so funny. Oh my gosh, akala niya pang hi. That's so funny. Kakatuwa. Sabi niya, gusto mo ng free sample na ano. Nandito na tayo sa mga meat. Bibili kami na itong pork nila, oh.
These are pork chops.
What are these?
Yeah, there's
Beef tongue? What?
yeah, that's the cow tongue.
Do you eat that? Did you? Have you?
I have, yeah, in
Really?
Japan actually.
What is this?
This is Angus beef where you make steaks.
Mm-hmm.
This is what Dad used to buy, and you just cut your steaks.
Does it have a like a bone?
No, no, these are just completely, but lots of fat.
Yeah.
I know. Hey now, you're tired.
Gigigil ako guys sa ano ko. Sa cart ko ito meron.
Oh my goodness. That's New York strip.
Look at me, babe. Babe, look at me. Ellie! Look at mommy. Ellie.
Do you want to grab one of these again?
Yeah.
I'm thinking like a big one.
Yeah. Dami na namin na pamili guys. Akala ko meat lang ang bibili namin dito. Do we need another beef? Eliana? You just go grab it. I'll wait here. Yeah. Hi guys! So pauwi na kami. Dadaan muna kami ng Cold Stone para bumili ng ice cream. And itutugo na lang namin kasi sobrang init talaga guys. Grabe, parang 100 degree Fahrenheit na dito sa amin. Si Ellie tulog siya. Nantok na naman ng bata. Si Travis na lang bumili guys na bibili ng ice cream. Nandito na nga pala kami. Sabi ko bilan niya na lang ako tapos iwan na lang kami dalawa ni Ellie dito. Tapos dito kami kakain. Ito nga pala yung pho na pinagkainan din namin noon. Kung mahilig kayo sa pho, masarap yung pho nila dyan. Pho man tawag nila yan. Imbes na pho. Bigas nila pho. Oh man, naging A. So pumunta kami dyan guys. Nag-order kami ng ano nila. Ang sarap. Isang beses na ako nakapunta pero hindi na kami ulit nakabalik kasi nga diba doon na kami sa Virginia Beach nakatira. Dati kasi dito kami malapit nakatira, ngayon hindi na. Sa Virginia Beach na kami. Tapos nandito, ito nga pala yung Greenbrier. So malapit kami dito dati sa Greenbrier. Ayan. Medyo busy din dito eh. Busy talaga na area din. So ayan, mag-wait muna ako kay Habi guys. Ayan si Travis. Ang cone ice cream binili niya. Yung ice cream ko guys. Coffee na may caramel. What did you get?
Banana cake batter.
Banana cake batter. His favorite. Let's eat.